Right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to put the AA lithium batteries in your Blink Video Doorbell. First of all, if you look on the very back, you're going to see there's this little door here, and there's a little catch, and it's got an arrow pointing this way. So what you have to do is kind of push it forward, and it releases. And if you look, you see how when I push on it here, these release from underneath there. So that's what's keeping it in there. So look. Here it is. You push it forward, they release, and they spring. They're on a spring. So that pulls it off. Then at the top, you're going to notice there's two little catches, and right underneath here is where they go. Right underneath these two contacts. All right. So that's your door, and that's the back of it. If you look inside, it tells you only 1.5 volt lithium batteries. So they give you two of the batteries with it. They're both energizers, and they're supposed to be good. This is the negative side. That's the positive side of the battery, right? So negative side goes here, and then you just snap it in. Positive side is going to be opposite on this side, and the negative is going to be opposite. So that's how usually batteries work, right? When you put them in stuff. So now the batteries are in. If you want to get them out, you just catch it here. Always come to this side, because that's where the spring is down here, right? That's how you get them out, just like that. Put them in, negative, I always do negative side first, right? And just get them in there, bam, done. Now, when we're gonna put this back in, we've gotta get this right underneath there, okay? So we're gonna slide it in like that, then we're gonna push down, and then we've gotta push this forward so that this will slip in, and then this comes back. So again, it's got to go forward, push down, and then pull it back. And now it's locked in there, you see? Now it won't come out. And that's how you put the batteries in there. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.